Most realtors spend time and money on a bunch of marketing campaigns. It can be digital like email, social, or paid ads on Facebook and Google, or traditional like bus benches, flyers, mailers, and community events. In both cases, though, agents fail to get their marketing effect to last. It's one click or view or read and it's done, requiring you to keep repeating and spending to stay in front of your clients and prospects. Remarketing lets you tag all those people who take action so they continue to see you and your ads for weeks and months to come. And it costs less than the initial ad or piece that got them to you in the first place. So, before you keep spending money doing the same thing, or worse yet, spending money on a new thing, start tagging your clients and prospects to extend your exposure to those you already paid to get in front of. When done right, it'll help you get more referrals and leads at a lower cost out of what you are already doing. If you have questions, message me or leave a comment. If you need more help, I've put a link below and in my bio.